The war crimes trial of a Navy SEAL in San Diego took a sharp turn with a shocking admission by a key witness. Navy SEAL Chief Edward Gallagher is charged with the 2017 stabbing death of an ISIS prisoner. Yesterday, another SEAL told a court-martial he killed the prisoner. Carter Evans looks at the surprise confession that threatens to upset this controversial case.
My husband will be exonerated and his innocence will be known to everybody after way too long.
The wife of accused Navy SEAL Chief Edward Gallagher says her husband has been vindicated after another SEAL claimed responsibility for a teenage ISIS fighter's death. Prosecution witness and SEAL medic Corey Scott told the court the boy was sedated and breathing through a tube when Gallagher stabbed him in the neck. But Scott said the injuries weren't life-threatening. He then claimed he was the one who killed the teen by holding his thumb over his tracheal tube until he quit breathing. He said he did it to spare him from torture by Iraqi forces. Gallagher's defense team has claimed he only treated the prisoner for a collapsed lung and that the murder accusations are false.
The trial is certainly going to continue, but I expect that at the end of this, there will be a not guilty verdict.
This video shows the teen injured in an airstrike before his capture. He told an Iraqi news crew his father threatened to kill him if he didn't join ISIS. Scott was granted immunity from criminal prosecution this week, and prosecutors accused him of lying to protect Gallagher. His testimony contradicted his previous statements, as well as the testimony of other SEALs. One said Gallagher posed in front of the corpse, and prosecutors say he texted a photo saying, "Good story behind this, got him with my hunting knife." The impact of Scott's testimony will ultimately be up to the military jury.
This guy who had a front row seat to what Chief Gallagher did says very clearly that he stabbed a captive in the neck and then left. Now, the fact that the medic a few minutes later made a mercy killing, I don't know if that exonerates their client.
Gallagher is also accused of randomly shooting at Iraqi civilians and threatening to retaliate against members of his team who reported him.
Captain Gallagher, what did you think?
For CBS This Morning, Carter Evans.
Prosecutors say this does not change anything, and they will not drop the premeditated murder charges. They say the credibility of a witness is for the jury to decide.